and welcome to Midday.com. I'm Anjali Singh, and with me today I have this very talented actor Arjun Mathur. Arjun, welcome to Midday.com.
Thank you. Thanks, Anjali. Thanks for having me.
So, would you agree that just proving your mettle as an actor is enough to become a Bollywood mainstream hero, as we term it?
No, not at all. Not at all. There's a lot that goes into being a Bollywood mainstream hero. Your surname helps, but other than that, you need to. There's a lot else you need to do. There's a whole game that needs to be played in terms of how much you put yourself out there, how much you interact, and how you interact, and who you interact with, and there's a lot of pressure. There are a lot of pressures. I learned that the hard way because मैं तो जब आया था मैं बहुत नाइव था. मैंने भी यही सोचा था कि अरे यार बस मुझे तो एक सेट पर पहुंचना है. दिस फिल्म मेकर विल वॉच मी एक्टिंग एंड देन तो मेरे को तो कर ही देंगे कास्ट. कैसे नहीं लॉन्च मिलेगा मुझे, so but I started realizing very slowly there are many factors at play here. It's at the end of it, it is a commerce run business, all right? And yeah, so you got to have some numbers, bankability. And that bankability can come from anywhere. It can come through your surname, it can come through how well you dance, it can come through it can come through many things other than how good of an actor you are.
Would you want to go through all those pressures, or would you want to be there, in that zone?
I think that as of now, like the definition of commercial, non-commercial, it's too blurred. It's almost doesn't exist. Like there is a kind of cinema which is thoroughly mindless and massy and all that stuff, and that I don't care for. But everything else, I think I want to do projects which strike a balance. They strike a balance between content and commerce. Yeah, and I think there's more and more of those kind of projects taking shape and being made over here. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want to do. I don't want commerce to determine my decisions completely, and neither do I want like just art to determine my decisions completely. I gotta figure it out, and yeah, let's see.
I would want to ask you, like, ever since you started, if I'm not wrong, 2007, right? And
Yes.
13 years, you say. So, over these 13 years, when you look back right now, any particular moment or time where your insecurities or your kind of hard times or difficult times really took over you and you just wanted to give up? Did that ever happen?
I certainly felt many times that I came quite close to, give up in terms of just like, there are other things I can do with my life. And so those are thoughts that just came and went now and then, sometimes. So yeah, but that's the thing, in this industry, honestly, in our lines, in this field, there is no set path. There's no roadmap, there are no rules. Nobody can really tell you कि अरे ये करो तो आपको success मिलेगा, या फिर ये करो तो you know what brings one person success may not at all be what brings another person success. It isn't ever, because we're all unique, you know and yeah, but the thing is, each time you're faced with that choice, you have to just make the choice to keep walking. That's all. That's the only rule there is, that you just have to keep going. It's very easy to you again and again you'll be faced with things which make you feel कि यार बस हो गया, अब मैं बस give up कर देता हूँ. But each time that you put that aside and decide, no, you know what, I'm going to keep walking, I'm going to create my own path. Those are all small victories, each time.
Before you have your victories, I'm sure with everybody, with every actor, the journey is never very easy. There are rejections, there are things that you did not expect to happen, but happens, and not for the good at times. So any rejection or any particular role that you had really wanted to be a part, do it, but you couldn't grab it. You remember anything like that?
Of course, I remember all of them. And there were many. I mean, like, there were a bunch of big films that really would have been life changing roles for me, and I came very close, and I was right up there in like the final two or three. considerations. But at the last minute, I could not be cast because of market and commerce limitations. Um, so yeah, I faced that a bunch of times. One time, I had a director tell me to my face that I really wanted you in this film, but the market is not allowing me. I'm not going to get the budget that I want. One time, I had another director tell me that you have everything it takes to be a mainstream leading actor, but right now I can't do that with you. One time I had a producer tell me, so much so that we can't put you in this film because you're too much better than the other actor who happens to be a star relation. So these things have all happened, but वो मेरा चॉइस है दैट हाउ आई वांट टू लुक एट दीज थिंग्स कि या तो मैं ये पकड़ के बैठ जाऊं और रोने लगूं और बोलूं कि अरे इंडस्ट्री इतनी खराब है एंड इट्स सो बैड एंड ऑल दिस, और आई कैन मेक दोज वेरी एक्सपीरियंसेस माय फ्यूल because I think this industry belongs to nobody, honestly, and each time someone tells you that you can't be something, I think you should just turn around and walk out and be like, okay, you are telling me that, but who are you? मैं करके दिखाऊंगा, कहीं किस कोई और रास्ता अपना के दिखाऊंगा, yeah, that's it. So it doesn't matter. There's always two ways to look at things, and I don't look at those disappointments anymore. जो शुरू शुरू में जरूर मैं काफी बिटर था, गुस्सा होता था, और I was quite disappointed, but it's okay because I slowly learned ke it's all you have to do is keep your head down and keep working, and eventually what's meant for you will come only to you, and what's not meant for you will never be yours. तो बस हमको अपनी अपनी जो जर्नी है, I think we have to love and respect the uniqueness of our own journeys, and not compare ourselves to others all the time, because when you do that, that is the real trap. कि अरे उसके पास जो है वो मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है, that's a trap. So I think it's just important to enjoy your own shoes wherever they stand, and yeah, after all, it's my own shoes that have brought me here today.
That's lovely. And it was amazing talking to you, Arjun. And it's always fun to watch you on screen. So we look forward to your good work and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Anjali. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.